This is a demonstration for YouTube of this Brown Delta 1, aka Smol chocolate, as I like to call it, because it's 44-inch. Oh, and also I put regular bulbs back in the 1930s, if anyone cares, and I put a learning remote on the Charleston. It's on this wall control. Everything is original. It did come with a light fitter, but I just didn't put it on because I don't have a lead in between the control and the other thing. Okay. Anyways, I'll start it off on factory low. Been a little sick lately, so kind of sucks. This was made 200 fans before the Delta. I mean, Zephyr 3. So yeah, and this basic and the Zephyr 3 is basically it's basically a Unipack Delta 1 with a dimmer light kit. I got this yesterday. To do medium. Also, it's kind of like a small blender fan since it has an Emerson K55. Hi. Buzz out of there. Reverse it. So that's just the garage. Sorry. I'm just gonna close my door. Even though this stupid tree, I have this tiny little tree that always falls over. It's super irritating. Okay, oh. Wow, it didn't fall over. Surprised. Because it falls over every day. It's gotta be quite blunt. Seeing it with those light bulbs in it, it's so weird to see it because I had the green ones in. Like, when I took this down, the 1930s down before the drone went up, and when I took it down, it had the green light bulbs in it because it was 2 months after Christmas when I put it up. It was February 2nd. So I didn't put the regular bulbs back in, and then I took it down for the drone. Then put the green bulbs when it went back up because of it was near Christmas time. I put it back up 3 days before I shot and uploaded the video. Yeah, okay. And now I finally changed it, and it's the day after Christmas. And I was also going to put the learning remote on the 1930s, but the canopy was too small and the J-hook was in so much of the way, so I just had to put it on the Charleston. Hi. I'll just do the wall control, or it's the pull chains on high, and also I won't do spin down. There we go. This will be 5 microfarads. On the decade. So this controls a 512 for animation. Medium. And high. Also, it's basically factory high. So I don't need to do much. But just boil a lid off of a bucket. A fan pit somehow. Alright. Happy holidays to whatever holiday you celebrate. Yeah. I celebrate Christmas, so yeah. Medium. High. Now I just got spammed with a bunch of notifications. Thanks for watching. More videos to come. Bye.